Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful clutch bag. I will use the same pattern stitch that I used for Polaris Cowl. As you can see, the clutch is lined inside with a cute fabric, and in this video tutorial I will explain to you how to line the bag quickly and easily. For this project I will use a Swan Lamè from Mondial and a G-Or 4mm hook. A piece of cotton and a felt sheet about 3mm and a snap button. Okay, now we will be working with the multiples of 3, so do chain 30. Now we have done chain 30. And now we do 2 double crochet in the third chain from hook. At this point we skip 2 chains and we do 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. And now we repeat this sequence, so we skip 2 chains and we do 1 single crochet, then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. And continue like this until the end of this row. And now we do 1 single crochet in the last chain to complete this first row. So now for chain 1 and turn your work to begin the second row and do 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Now we jump 2 stitches and do 1 single crochet, then 2 double crochet in the third stitch, here in the third stitch. Then skip 2 stitches and do another little group. So we do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So continue this sequence until the end of this row. And now we skip the last 2 stitches and we do 1 single crochet in the second chain to complete this second row. So now we are going to repeat what we did in the second row. So now we do another chain 1, then turn the work to begin the third row. And so let's repeat this together one more time. So we do 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Then we move in the single crochet of the previous row and we do 1 single crochet, then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So now we skip the next 2 stitches to move to the next single crochet, and we do another little group. So now you're just going to repeat this row until we reach about 34 centimeters or 13 inches. So now I have a rectangle of about 34 centimeters. So now we will do 2 rows of single crochet around the edge. So chain 1 and work 1 single crochet all the way around. Now pay attention to get a nice round corner. Do 1 single crochet, then chain 1, then 1 single crochet in each corner for a better finish. And we continue to do this for 1 more round. So now we do a slip stitch in the first single crochet to complete this round. Then we cut the yarn. So fold our clutch like this. And now we are going to make 2 little rectangles for the sides of our bag. This is one of the completed sides. I used a simple single crochet worked in back loop. So now take our hook and do chain 9. Now we do 1 single crochet in the back loop of the second chain from the hook, and do this all the way along the row. And now we have finished the first row, so chain 1 and then turn the work. And we do 1 single crochet in the back loop in each stitch of the previous row. And we do this 8 more times. Okay, the 10 rows are complete, and now do chain 1 and 1 single crochet all the way around. Remember to do 2 single crochet in each corner of the rectangle. And now we use a slip stitch and the first single crochet to complete this round. Okay, now we are ready to cut the yarn and we make a simple knot. Remember to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew both sides of the bag. Okay, now we need to attach a felt sheet or net to the fabric to help the clutch maintain its shape. So we take the felt sheet and we cut it a little bit smaller than the rectangle of the bag because we need to have the space to sew the line to the sides. Now we take the piece of cotton and cut it bigger than the felt sheet. I use a stick of glue to attach the fabric to the felt sheet, so it will be easier to sew the lined panel to our bag. Okay, the big panel is ready, and now we also line the sides, and to do this I use another little trick. I use some pieces of double-sided tape like this. Okay, now all the panels are lined and we can sew them onto the rectangles. We attach some clips all around, and before proceeding, we sew the 2 parts of the snap buttons onto the bag. One part must be sewn under the panel and the other over the panel, like this. I prefer to use the embroidery thread to sew the snap button because it is more resistant, while I use a simple thread to sew the panel. Okay, the first part is now complete and we sew the second part. And we sew here over the panel, like this. And finally, we are ready to sew our panels with a simple thread. Okay, now take the little sides and sew each side onto the clutch using a tapestry needle. The clutch lamè is now complete. You can carry it like a clutch, or you can attach a chain and turn it into a shoulder bag. I would love to see all of your clutch lamè and the different colors that you choose for them, so remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. And I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!